Imagine this, a passenger plane is flying at night. Everything is normal. The pilot speaks to air traffic control. Then suddenly, silence. No maybe, no warning, no explosion. The radar dot just disappears. Days later, no wreckage is found. Week pass, nothing. Now, here is the scary part. Scientists did go looking, and what they found inside the Bermuda Triangle was not a single mystery. It was many dangers hiding together. Stay till end because the final discovery explains why this place is still feared today. Where is Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is not a country. It has no borders, but it sits between 3 points: Florida, Bermuda, Puerto Rico. This area has one of the busiest travel routes on earth. Thousands of ships, cargo vessels, passenger planes pass through it every year. Yet, over 100 years, people noticed something strange. Some never came back. No crash sounds, no signals, no bodies. People called it the Devil's Triangle, a cursed ocean, a gateway to something unknown. But scientists wanted facts, not fear, so they started investigating. The first thing scientists noticed, the ocean here looks calm, too calm. But scientists discovered that this calm hides chaos. The Bermuda Triangle sits where cold currents meet warm currents. Storm systems suddenly form, weather changes without warning. This creates perfect conditions for disasters. Ships from past had no satellites, no modern weather tools, weak communication, one wrong decision, and the ocean took them. But this still did not explain everything, so scientists looked closer. Discovery number 1, Monster Waves. Scientists discovered rough waves in Bermuda Triangle. These are not normal waves. They appear suddenly, they are silent, they are deadly. But some can reach 80 feet tall, as high as a building. A ship could be sailing peacefully and seconds later hit by a wall of water. The ship does not slowly sink, it snaps, flips, it disappears. No SOS, no survivors. But rough waves still could not explain planes. So, scientists looked up. Discovery number 2, the sky that attacks. Above the Bermuda Triangle, scientists found strange cloud formations. These clouds create sudden wind explosions, violent downward air blasts, instant pressure drops. These air blasts can force planes down, destroy control systems, confuse pilots. One moment the plane is stable, the next it's falling. Pilots reported instruments spinning, altitude changing fast, controls not responding, and it all happens in seconds. But the most trusted tool, the compass, was still a mystery. Discovery number 3, the compass problem. For centuries, sailors trusted the compass, but inside the Bermuda Triangle, compass can lie. Scientists found that this region has strange magnetic behavior, sudden magnetic shifts, rare alignment of magnetic north and true north. This causes navigation errors, slow drifting, of course, ships unknowingly moving into storms. Sailors thought they were safe, but they were already lost. And once lost in the ocean, rescue becomes nearly impossible. But scientists were not done yet. They looked under the water. Discovery number 4, the ocean that can drop ships. Deep beneath the Bermuda Triangle are methane gas pockets, huge ones. When methane gas suddenly rises, water becomes lighter. Ships lose its balance. The ocean cannot hold them. The ship does not break apart. It does not flip. It simply falls straight down. In seconds, no derives floats up, no wreckage spreads. This explains why many ships were never found. But something even stranger remained. Reports from pilots. Discovery number 5, strange time reports. Some pilots reported impossible things. Flights that should take 90 minutes took 60 minutes. Fuel use was lower than expected. Clock shows different times. Scientists call this electronic fog. It can jam signals, confuse radar, disrupt time readings. It's not time travel, but it proves something frightening. Our technology can fail suddenly here, and when technology fall in the sky or ocean, humans are powerless. At last, scientists finally understood something important. The Bermuda Triangle is not one mystery. It is dangerous waves, violent skies, confusing magnetism, gas explosions, extreme weather, all stacked in one place. Each danger alone is survivable. Together, they become deadly. This place does not forgive mistakes. Even today, ships avoid stopping here. Pilots stay alert crossing it because nature does not need intention, only opportunity. So, what did scientists finally find? Not aliens, not portals, not curses. They found a perfect storm of natural dangers. The Bermuda Triangle is proof that Earth itself can erase humans without a sound. No warning, no mercy. And the scariest part, this is not the only place like it. It's just the most famous. So next time you look at the ocean, remember this. The sea does not chase you, it waits. Subscribe because there are many mysteries in this planet is waiting for you.